Welcome to my channel. As you read by the title, today I am doing a unboxing of my ring light. Now, this ring light, I got it from Best Buy for $76. It's $69, but with tax it's $76. And it's 12 inches. And it says on the back that it's 67. I did that like y'all can see. It's 67 inches tall, which I did the calculation on my phone because I don't be knowing by heart. I feel like my lash is about to fall off. And it is 5'7". So let's just get into this because, like, who likes to hear people talk the whole time when you came to see what you came to see? I've been wanting a ring light so my videos can look better. Because I've been working with the natural light. And don't get me wrong, natural light is, you know, bomb. Like, it's the best light. But it be going down and I still be needing lights when I do videos when it's like getting darker. So this box has the base, I would say. That's what it look like, yeah. This is the base of it. Yo, my lashes really gotta be about like falling off because, like, if I be looking jacked up in this video, and what if this video get a lot of views? They're gonna be like, girl, your lash, fix it. Okay, so, oh yeah, this is the base. So I'm pretty sure. Do we go all the way? Hold on. It gotta like, I think this right here. Oh snap, okay. You know what, I don't know. Oh, this is it. So it can be like a flat, how high you get it is based on how much you fold it. Okay, I think, and then you gotta put this back on here. Where is it at? Oh, it's right here. It ain't nothing wrong in there. Oh, I see. And I think this tightens it so that it can be balanced. Okay. Then it's instructions, which we don't read it, we just do it. But I did not say the name. It's Sunpack LED. Okay. Oh, this is the ring light. Okay. It's bigger than actually what I imagined, I think. It's 12 inches, so, and then this is a little part from my phone. I hope my phone can fit this because, oh, okay, it looked like it should be able to fit. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, so yeah. I think this goes, it's another piece. Oh, they brought like a bag. It's portable. Look at this one. This is about the height I need it for when I film sitting down. So, like, do I just do it like this? I don't know. Hope I ain't breaking nothing. Oh, okay, let's go in here. Look, as you see, that ain't the best unboxing. Oh, it's the other way around, I guess. Yeah, it's working now. Okay. So I wonder what this do. Like, what's this for? Oh, I guess. Oh, it's for this. This right here is to move this around. I need it to be straight. Let's see. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Then I need to like, I guess put it like, why is it looking like it's leaning? Like, do I do it like this? No, that ain't it. I think I screwed this on here. I don't know. There we go. I think it's tight. Is it? Yeah. Okay, so these, because my friend got one, I know what these are for. Well, not some of these, but yeah. Oh my, we're gonna see how tall it is. Cause it said 5'7". I am 5'5", so it already looked taller. I believe it. Let's see. Okay, like y'all can't even tell, like it's like up there. And, like, yeah, it's pretty tall. Like I'm not even gonna need it that tall. Can it go up some more after that? Oh, okay, I don't think so. I don't know what that is then. It's like another little, I'll show y'all when I bring this down. It's easy to let up though. It's this right here. It's another little tool, screw thing. I don't know what these are called, but maybe, I don't know. We're gonna plug this in to see the difference, because I need it to give me good light. And it has just the USB part. It don't have the plug-in, so I'm just going to use my Apple Watch charger plug. The moment we've been waiting for. What is it? Oh, this is the remote. Since I didn't read the instructions, you're just gonna have to go with it and see how what does what. Ooh, bright, very bright. It made a difference, boo. Ooh, like, and I'm not even close. Let me bring the phone close. Like, yes, you can see every little thing. Don't mind my lip bumps or the one on my chin. But okay, so this is just when I push the power button. Let's do this down button. Oh, it dims. It dims. Okay, so I don't gotta. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. And it still look good. Let's see the highest. Okay, I think it will start going down. Okay, so lighting on check. Like, that should look good. This is a good light. Like, yes. Let me show y'all how. Then oh, it's a little wiggly. Hold on. I think it's because this right here. Where is it? This is why, oh my goodness. This video about to be funny because I didn't do too much. I think, like, I'm not sure. We're gonna figure out how to get that tight. Let me see the instructions. You always gotta go to the instructions after you didn't try it by yourself. It don't even say. Well, it's reading. I'm a visual. No, don't like. I don't mind reading, but it's like when it comes to stuff like building, like just show me the images and then like the details later. Oh wait, let me make sure it come because I'm trying to figure out. Maybe this part isn't tight enough. That's probably why. No, that's not it. It's this part. maybe I need to. Oh, maybe. Did it? Hold on, wait. Difficulties. Please hold. Oh, I think it's just from turning it itself. It turns. And that's probably. Come back, come back. That's probably what this right here do. It tightens it, but it's tight. There it is. Okay, so this one right here tightens this part because now it's stayed and it's in place. So I'm back because I forgot to show y'all another part that is featured on this ring light, which it has like a little M, and when you click on it, it gives like a different light setting. I don't know if it's like soft or like it looks like the color of it looks like a off-white, like, and then it's this one which does not, I mean it's light. I don't know what these are used for, but I'm guessing that's the bicolor because it's called a 12-inch bicolor LED ring light. But that is it for this video, cause look, my selfie game about to be on fleek. In my videos, be prepared, cause now I'm about to be on here. So tell me down in the description what y'all want me to do, or what y'all want me to react to, or what y'all are interested in me doing. And thanks for watching my video. And this light is doing me justice, but